Here we see a second order non-homogeneous linear differential equation. The right hand side have a function q, which is the sum of two functions. The first function is linear polynomial, the second function is exponential function. Now we have to solve this differential equation by method of undetermined coefficient. We can write this differential equation as d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to x plus e power x. From this non-homogeneous differential equation, the corresponding homogeneous differential equation is d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Here this right hand side function have been equated to 0. Now this is a homogeneous differential equation, and if we ignore y, then this equation will be the corresponding auxiliary equation or characteristic equation. Now solving this quadratic equation, we get d minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, and from here we get two values of d, and the two roots are repeated roots. These two roots are value of m. Now the complementary function is y c is equal to c1 plus c2x e power mx, putting value of m. So this is the complementary function, and this can also be written as c1 e power x plus c2 x e power x. Now this is the complementary function. Now in the given differential equation, this is the function q. So right hand side of the differential equation, one is q is equal to x plus e power x. Here we see q is a sum of two functions, the polynomial function and the exponential function. This linear polynomial, for this linear polynomial, we will take the generalized form of the linear polynomial. For this x we take ax plus b, and for this exponential we will generalize it and we will write c e power x. So this is the trial solution. This trial solution contains three terms. The first two terms are on account of this linear polynomial, and this is its generalization, and the last term is on account of this exponential function. Now we have to compare the complementary function 2 and the trial solution 3, and this e power x is present here. So on account of e power x here, this is e power x which is also here, so this is the failure case. To avoid the failure case, we have to multiply this e power x by the least power of x. Hence if we multiply c e power x by x, we get this term again, which is again a failure case. Hence to avoid the failure case, we have to multiply this term by x square. यहाँ पे अगर इसी टर्म को अगर हम x से ज़रब दे दें तो इससे ये टर्म आता है जो कि दोबारा एक फेलोर केस है। लिहाजा फेलोर केस को एवॉइड करने के लिए हम इसी टर्म को x स्क्वायर से ज़रब देंगे और फिर क्वेश्चन को हम फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे। Here this is yc and this is the trial solution. Here we have a failure case because e power x exists in both yc and the trial solution 3. Thus multiply e power x. This e power x is here, so multiply this e power x by least power of x, so that no term of yc and trial solution 3 be similar, that is be matching. Thus multiply e power x of the trial solution by x square because x e power x exists already in the complementary function. Therefore the trial solution for yp is y is equal to ax plus b c x square e power x. हमने जो ट्रायल सोल्यूशन लिया था उसी ट्रायल सोल्यूशन के थर्ड टर्म में ई पावर x था और यही ई पावर x ऑलरेडी yc में भी था, तो इसको हमने जब x से मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहा तो x ई पावर x वो भी ऑलरेडी yc में मौजूद था जो कि दोबारा एक फेलोर केस था। लिहाजा ट्रायल सोल्यूशन की ई पावर x को हमने x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई किया और फेलोर केस ख़त्म हो गया। अब इसी y को हमने डिफरेंशिएट करना है, तो इसका जो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, derivative of ax is equal to a, derivative of b is equal to 0. Here x square e power x is a product of two functions, so we will use product rule. Differentiating again, derivative of a is 0, this c is again here. Now this is a product of two functions, so using product rule. Here we see product of two functions, so using product rule. Now adding these two middle term, so this is the value of y double dash. Since y is the trial solution, so we can put y and all its derivative in the differential equation. Putting values of y and its derivatives in the differential equation, this is the differential equation. Now putting power y double dash, this is value of y double dash minus 2y dash, so this is value of minus 2y dash, this is y, this is value of y, and the right hand side function is again here. Now simplifying this term c x square e power x, this term will be cancelled with this term, and this term will be added together, and the summation of these two terms will be cancelled with this term. Moreover, here we have 4x e power x, this term, this one will be cancelled with this is minus 2, this is 2, so this and this will be cancelled, and this 2 e power x will be here. यहाँ पे हम दोबारा लिखेंगे, और ये माइनस 2a इसको हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, ये b हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, और ये जो ax है इसको हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, और ये राइट साइड यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. अब यहाँ पे है क्या है, this is the simplification comparing the like terms, so this 2c will be equal to 1, and from here we get c is equal to 1 over 2, this a is equal to 1, and this constant term will be equal to here we have no constant term, so this constant term will be 0. Putting value of a, hence b is equal to 2. Now putting value of a, b, c in the trial solution, this is the trial solution, so this is the required particular, and complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yb. Putting the value, these two terms are on account of yc, and the last three terms on account of yp, so this is the complete solution. Now we can write, now we will determine the value of yp by another method. So let's see, this is the differential equation. We can write this differential equation in terms of operator d. Now dividing both sides by this operator, this d square minus 2d plus 1 can be written as d minus 1 whole square. Now this x is first term along with the operator, this e power x is the second function along with the operator. Now taking minus 1 common, so this is common, and this will become 1 minus d power minus 2x, and here we have a result. Whenever we have such type of result, here we have failure. If we replace this d by a, it is a failure case, so we will multiply this exponential function by x power r, and this r will be written here as r factorial. So इसी रिजल्ट को हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ करना है. तो यहाँ पे 2 है, तो e पावर x के साथ x को लगाएंगे, और ये 2 हम एज 2 factorial लिखेंगे. अब यहाँ पे binomial theorem है, writing the value of this expression by the binomial theorem, so we get 1 plus 2d, and the further terms will be neglected because we do not need d square and higher powers of d, because we have here a linear function. Now further simplifying, this 1 over minus 1 whole square is equal to 1, this x is here, 1 plus 2d is here, this term is here. Now multiplying this x with 1, which is here, 2d into x, root of x is 1, so x is here, this is 2, this is the particular integral found already by method of undetermined coefficient.